How to promote ClickBank offers with Facebook ads. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll showcase step by step how to actually get your Facebook ads working when it comes to ClickBank offers. Because if you have tried already to, just use straight up the affiliate links that you get from ClickBank and use them for your Facebook ads, it's not going to work, and you may get that ad banned. So there's a different way that you can go through and use these steps. This way you can actually promote these offers at the same time, not, have any troubles with having your ads running in your Facebook. So let's actually get started and talk about how to do it. It's very simple and easy. It's not going to take a lot of us to do. So the first thing is just go ahead and get your affiliate link. So you can just go ahead and find a specific offer that you want to promote. For example, this one, ProDensum. So I'll just use this one as the example. Once you find it, you will just can go to affiliate page here. You can just click on affiliate page, and then just do the steps that you would to actually get your hop link here or your affiliate link. So you just, enter your affiliate ID and tracking ID and all of those things, and you will get your link over here. So basically, we will need to copy this. I don't really have one right now. I'm not going to request an approval for this one. So let me just copy this one for the sake of the example. So let's say you get the link here. Obviously, this is not the real link. I just copied it from up there. So basically, what you will need to do is just go ahead and copy it. And you will need to open up a notepad. This notepad I have is for the steps that I actually have to get this done. So get your affiliate link, create a funnel page, and use this link as in your Facebook ads, basically. So here, once you actually copy the link, you will need to open up your notepad and just paste it in here. Just save it somewhere that you can, actually keep it, because we will need it later on. So next up, we will do the second step of the process, which is, like the notepad says, creating a funnel page or a landing page that is going to basically promote the people to click on a button or a video or an image that will take them to this affiliate page, basically. So let's actually go ahead and do that. Now, there are going to be different platforms that you can use to actually create this page. You can use many different, but if you want to use what I will be using, which is system.io, it is completely for free, so you can actually go ahead and do it for free. So if you want that, you can just use system.io, like I will show you in a sec. So just head over to system.io or whichever different platform that you want to use to create a funnel page. So this is the website that I will be using, and I suggest it if you want to use it for free. You can just use system.io. So just create an account, very easy, and then follow the steps. So I'll be just creating the funnel. So I'll just go to funnels, create, just give it a name, ClickBank offer, for example. Build an audience, and if you want to set up the currency, it doesn't really matter too much. So I'll just click on save. Now, obviously, it's going to be different on how you want or the platform that you will be using to actually create your funnel. Basically, just click on here and select a template. So basically what I just did, I just picked up a template that System.io, one of those that offer. They offer pretty much plenty of templates, and I just chose this one. So what you would need to do is just go ahead and adjust this entire page to match exactly or to promote whatever you actually want to promote, or the offer that you want to promote from ClickBank. So give it a nice sweep and make sure you change all the images and change everything that is in here to match exactly what you want to promote. And next up, if it's, for example, this the affiliate link leads to a video, for example, then you would want to add a video element. And you can just go ahead and add it here. And basically, actually, never mind, not a video element. What you want to do instead is actually, let me just remove this one, and also remove this. So we don't want to add a video element, we want to add an image element. And then we just basically take a screenshot of the video on the affiliate link. So we just paste it over here as an image. And then we basically open URL, make sure it opens the URL, and we go ahead and take the URL here, copy it, just make sure we copy it properly, and then we just paste it here. So basically what we want to do is, once people click on the supposed video in here, the image of a video, then they should be taken to the affiliate page where they will see the actual video and how the affiliate page really looks like. Not only that, you will need to set up more call to action things with the same link. So for example, if we just go up, if we go up here, we can click on buttons that we find. We can either remove them or just keep them. But if you want to keep them, we would want to actually just fix them a little bit and actually change some elements to them. So you would want to change the text in here, and also you would want to change the link that it leads to. So here, for example, book your visit, we would want to make it open URL, and we would want to again paste this URL, obviously not this one, just the affiliate link that we already got. So we just paste it here. So again, when people click on this button, they should be taken to the actual affiliate page, and it will register as people visiting it through your hop link basically. And just change the text and make sure the entire page is user-friendly and also going to promote exactly what you want to promote with the offer. So once that's done, we can just save changes. And basically, depending on which platform you are using, you would want to basically get the URL path to this page that we have just created. So for this one, I will just change it to ClickBank, or not this, let me just name it offer. Obviously give it a proper name, but this is just for the sake of the example. So basically you would need to just copy this entire link, which will lead you to this page that we have just created. Obviously you would take the time to really set it up. So now we have the link to this page, which is filled with call to action that leads to the actual affiliate page. Now we can actually use this page or this link right here that we have just copied and use this one for our Facebook ads. So obviously for your Facebook ads, you can use the images that are available within your affiliate offer and promote it this way. And then once you actually want to have call to action, you would want to make it in this page, not this one, the original one, but rather this one. And then people will visit this page. They will click on this button or this video at the bottom, and they will be taken to the affiliate page. So this is basically how to actually go ahead and use this method to actually be able to post these ClickBank offers as your Facebook ads, and it actually is going to be available and is going to work. It's not going to get banned. So I hope you liked this video, and this is pretty much how to do it. It's very easy and simple. Yeah, thanks for watching.